You know, when you're trading the Micro E-minis, there's a problem that we all have. It's going to happen to you sooner or later, but it's a great problem. It's a problem you want to have. It's a problem I hope you have, and I hope you have it real soon. Here's how it goes. It's a problem beginners are never prepared for. You open the trade, and suddenly everything goes right. You make more money and faster than you ever expected. What do? Do you panic? Do you take the money? Do you let the trade go? We're going to talk about that in today's featured trade. There's really nothing spectacular or exotic about the trade setup today. See in the red circle there, things are pretty volatile at the 9:30 opening. That's normal. That's why I don't normally recommend trading right on the opening unless you feel you have a very strong inclination about where the market's going to settle. My candlesticks, as always, are 5 minutes wide. Look at the candle in the blue rectangle. It goes all the way up from 12,850 to 12,940. That's a move up of 90 points, $180 in under 5 minutes. If you get caught on the wrong side of that, it's going to be a very bad day. That first half hour at the opening can be brutal. When you're trading, you have to be mindful of the trend of the day, or the fact that there is no trend is sometimes the case. And see up in the top up there, that yellow horizontal band up there, prices tried between 8 a.m. and 10:15. Prices tried to exceed the top of that yellow highlighted area 15 times in the last hour and a half. And I look down at the MACD and I see the story there. The momentum has been declining for the last hour and a half. Now you'll see the purple line in the middle of the screen extends from where the market opened at 9:30 to prices at 10:28. Hey, they're the same. And just a little icing on the cake, look down in the circle at the MACD, the green line below the red line, both going below the zero line, all at the same time. I've covered a lot, actually, in the last couple of minutes. You might want to rewind or maybe even rewatch the video again later. If you choose to do so, keep in mind everything I've shown you so far happened prior to the time I initiated the trade. Everything in the chart's history. Every time. In my book, I have a chapter on trading psychology that can really offer you some good tips. And plus, the book doesn't teach everything about futures. It just talks about trading Micro E-minis, so you don't have to learn a lot of things that you'll never even use. Really, it costs much less than a Mercedes and a little more than a yo-yo, under 20 bucks. What's important is you'll learn what's important and what isn't. Do you know how much time and money that will save you? A lot. Plus, you'll be better looking, and you might even be able to play the piano. The book link is in the text below the video. Thank you very much. And now it's time, finally, for the featured trade that will show you a problem you want to have. First thing I notice about the trade is no problem at all. I'm in the money, and I just pressed the send button. I'm down to 12,898. So that puts me 5 points or about $10 ahead right from the get-go. But what happens next I wasn't ready for. You can see the prices over in the right margin. In the next 3 or 4 seconds, I go from up $10 to up $20, trading down at 12,891, 890. It's going down, down, down. This is where it's great to have that tasty trade mouse. I just click that left button and drag the stop down, counting the money all the way. I'm trading down at 12,884 now. Trade's barely a minute old, and I'm up somewhere between $30 and $40. And what happens next is something I was not ready for. See that? At 1 minute 32 seconds into the trade, my target of 12,880 was hit. When I put in the bracket order of the trade, I put 12,880 as totally arbitrary because you can't tell the market how much money you want to make. I say that all the time in the videos. But what happened was, putting my stop at 12,880, before I could even think what to do, I was out, bam, and $46 profit. And I'm not sad. Be sure and hit that subscribe button and the little bell too. You'll be notified every time we put up new featured trades here on the channel, just about every week. And say, if you want to see another video like or similar to the one you just saw in this video, hit the like button. I tally those and it helps me know what the viewers on the channel want to see next. And I thank you for that. This is Don Singletary, and I hope every day is a payday for you. Thank you.